If you use Microsoft Word a lot, one of the simplest but most useful features to know is the word count. Whether you're writing an essay, a blog post, a report, or just tried to stay under a word limit, knowing where to find the word count can save you time and help you work more efficiently. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use word count in Word in the easiest way possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick word tips and software guides. Let's jump in. When you open your document in Microsoft Word, the fastest way to check your word count is to look at the status bar at the bottom left corner of the window. This is the same bar that usually shows page number, language, and other document details. On the far left side, you should see the total number of words in your document displayed clearly. If you're working in a document and want a quick answer without opening any menus, this is the best place to look. It updates automatically as you type, so if you add more text or delete content, the count changes right away. That makes it incredibly helpful when you need to keep track of your progress in real time. Now, if you don't see the word count in the status bar, don't worry. In some versions of Word, it may be hidden or not visible right away. You can usually fix that by right-clicking the status bar and making sure word count is enabled. Once it's turned on, it should appear every time you open a document. Another useful thing to know is that Word doesn't just count full words you type manually. It also counts pasted text, headings, and other content inside the document, so the total is usually very accurate for most writing tasks. If you're only interested in a section of your document, you can also highlight a block of text, and Word will show the word count for just that selection. This is especially helpful if your teacher, client, or editor only wants the word count for one paragraph, one page, or one specific section. Just select the text and look at the status bar again, and Word will show the selected word count along with the total count for the whole document. That way you can compare both numbers instantly. This feature is great for students, writers, and anyone preparing content with strict length requirements. It helps you stay on target without having to manually estimate or count words yourself. And if you're making changes to the document, Word keeps everything updated automatically, so you always know exactly where you stand. So to recap, the easiest way to use word count in Word is to look at the status bar in the bottom left corner of the window, where your total words are displayed. If needed, you can also select a section of text to check the count for just that part. It's a simple feature, but once you know where it is, it becomes one of the most helpful tools in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Word tutorials, beginner tips, and easy software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.